Hey guys, it's OpenBuildRepeat here, and we got 6 of the Series 21 LEGO minifigure packs. Let's go see what we got. Also, let's go try to make this video a little fun. Alright, so it wouldn't have been a mystery minifigure bag opening unless you had a couple of doubles in there. So we got 2 of the same ones, but all in all, they were great. There's 12 of them in total. I'm happy with the ones we got, and I'm sure my kids will like them as well. If you guys haven't already done it, drop a like in the bottom, and I'll see you guys in the next one.